Hi, this is Miss Treena with the Westchester Public Library, and I'm here with my daughters to show you how to make chocolate mug cakes. Cakes in a mug.
Hi, I'm Amy. Hi, I'm Natalie.
You may be wondering what mug cakes are.
Mug cakes are easy cakes that you can make in the microwave, so you don't have to worry about your little ones using the oven. And besides, who wants to heat up an oven in the summer anyway? They're quick to make and bake.
And best of all, you can eat them right away. Here's what you need to make your own mug cake at home. To make your chocolate mug cake, the first thing you need is a really large mug, at least 12 ounces. That way when it bakes, it doesn't bake over and make a mess. So the first thing you need is your dry ingredients. So start with your 1/4 cup of flour. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Next, add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And the last and dry ingredient is a pinch of salt. So stir your dry ingredients in really well so that the flour is combined, and make sure you scrape the sides of your mug to make sure that everything gets combined completely in. Once your dry ingredients are combined, then you're going to add your wet ingredients. So first add a 1/4 cup of milk. Then 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil. And last, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're going to stir that thoroughly, scrape the sides, make sure that all the dry ingredients are incorporated into the wet ingredients. An optional ingredient, if you really like chocolate, is to add in a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Or you don't have to. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. To check if it is baked through all the way, just stick a toothpick in it and see if it comes out clean. You may need to use something to get the mug out because it could be hot. If the toothpick is clean, then your cake is done. If not, you can just microwave for another 10 seconds and try it again until the toothpick comes out clean. And then once you've finished, you just let it sit for 2 minutes before eating it. So our mug cakes are done. You can either eat them just like they are, or you can garnish them with some whipped cream, or if you're really fancy, with a cherry on top. Let's see how they look, girls. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good? You know you want to try one of these at home. And if you do try to make one of these at home, make sure you take some pictures and post them in the comments under this video, or post them on your own Facebook page and tag the Westchester Public Library Youth Services page so that we can see your great pictures too. So again, I'm Miss Treena with the Westchester Public Library. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye!